Let's be honest. You want to be productive. You want to hit your goals. But somehow, you always end up scrolling, procrastinating, or just feeling stuck. Sound familiar? Well, today we're going to fix that with something called monk mode. A system designed to cut out distractions, maximize focus, and help you get real results. No fluff, no gimmicks, just pure, undiluted concentration. Let's get into it. Monk mode is simple. Eliminate distractions, focus on what truly matters, and commit fully to your goals. Think of it as putting your mind in airplane mode so you can actually get things done. At its core, monk mode is about three things. First, intentional minimalism, cutting out unnecessary noise and clutter. Second, digital detox, reducing social media and screen time. Third, single-minded pursuit, going all in on one major goal. Some of the most successful people in the world have used monk mode to achieve greatness. Elon Musk, while building Tesla and SpaceX, worked 80 to 100-hour weeks, cutting out distractions to stay fully focused on his mission. Steve Jobs took a minimalist approach, wearing the same black turtleneck daily to eliminate decision fatigue and direct all his energy toward innovation. Both understood a key truth: deep focus creates extraordinary results. Here's why your focus is all over the place. Your brain is designed to seek dopamine, the feel-good chemical. And guess what? Every notification, every meme, every random YouTube short, it's all hijacking your dopamine system. When you're constantly stimulated, your brain gets addicted to quick rewards. This makes deep work, things like studying, working out, or building a business, feel boring by comparison. But here's the secret. When you cut out distractions, your brain rewires itself to focus better. Studies show that reducing digital noise can improve memory, creativity, and cognitive function. Meaning, less screen time equals sharper brain power. It's that simple. Minimalism isn't just about owning less stuff. It's about removing distractions so you can fully focus. The less mental clutter you have, the more energy you can put into what really matters. Research shows that cluttered spaces lead to higher stress levels and decreased focus. But when you strip away the unnecessary, your mind becomes clearer. You become sharper. A clean desk, a phone with zero notifications, a life without mindless distractions. This is what gives you the mental bandwidth to actually think. And thinking clearly, that's a superpower. You don't need to shave your head and live in a cave to enter monk mode. Here's how to start. Step 1. Set clear rules. No social media before noon, 30 minutes of reading daily. Define your boundaries. Clarity is key. Step 2. Create a distraction-free zone. Keep your workspace clean and phone-free. When you enter this space, your brain knows it's time to work. Step 3. Use the dopamine detox method. Reduce instant gratification. No social media? No problem. Your brain will adjust. Give it time. Step 4. Prioritize deep work. Set aside 2 to 4 hours daily for focused work. No distractions, no excuses. Just pure deep concentration. Even 30 days of monk mode can change your brain, your habits, and your results. It's about training yourself to stay focused, even when the world is trying to pull you away. The hardest part of monk mode? Sticking with it. Here's how to make it last. Track progress, journals, habit trackers, or even just a checklist. Keep yourself accountable. Reward yourself. Small wins matter. Celebrate progress without breaking focus. Adjust and evolve. Monk mode isn't all or nothing. Find what works for you. Most people talk about leveling up. Few actually do. But you? You're built different. Start your monk mode today. In 30 days, your future self will thank you. So, like this video? Subscribe for more raw, no BS self-improvement. No fluff, just results. Stick Figure Wisdom signing off.